By the end of this video, you'll have a launch plan prepared for your site. Let's get started. Your site's launch can be a big event with lots of promotion, or you can simply take down the Coming Soon page, publish a new post, and send out a couple tweets. There's no right or wrong way to announce your site, but there are a few things you need to check before you go live. The WordPress Beginners Bundle contains a comprehensive checklist of steps you can run through to make your sites ready for the limelight. When you're ready to launch, there are two ways to remove the Coming Soon page. First, you can log into the WordPress dashboard and click the Launch My Site button here, or visit the Bluehost menu in your admin dashboard and click the Launch Your Site button here. Alternatively, if you're not interested in using any of the features added by the Bluehost plugin, you can simply deactivate it from the Plugins menu, and this will also remove the Coming Soon page. Once the Coming Soon page is removed, visitors will be able to reach all of the pages on your site. Throughout the last 16 videos, you've used all of WordPress's most important features and collected some best practices along the way. I hope that while following this course, you've gotten your website online and you're prepared to confidently add the remaining content and features you need to reach your goals with your website. I'm sure you'll have lots more questions as you build and run your website, so please stay in touch and post any video requests you have in the comments section below. I'll be publishing a lot more free tutorials and full-length courses on this channel, so make sure to subscribe if you'd like to keep up to date with my latest videos. I've also got some additional resources for anyone who downloads the WordPress Beginners Bundle, so check that out now if you haven't already. I wish you the best of luck with your site, stay tuned for more tutorials, and thank you so much for watching.